Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add frame to add a photo on the Canva application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Canva. Here's the look, and after that we need to create a new canvas by click this plus button, and we can choose randomly. Okay, so today let's do it Instagram post. So I just need to click this, and I already have the canvas that have a ratio for Instagram feed or Instagram post here. So I still have a blank canvas, and I want to just recolor it with another color. So you just need to click color and scrolling down, find out what color that probably match into your Instagram account. Okay, for example, I want to do this purple. Okay, and after you're done, just click back, and I want to make it like I want to lock this background by click the lock background, so that will be not gonna move. And after that I want to put a frames here. So to put frames, just need to click plus button, and after that go into the elements, and now you just need to scrolling down the screen and find out the frames like that right there. So I already found the frames here, and now you just need to click see all, so that you will able to access like the frames that provide by the canvas to you. For example, I want to do it this scratches. Okay, so I already put this scratches frame into my canvas. I want to resizing it into like a bigger size by click this corner and drag into the outside to make it bigger. I want to put it here. So here I also want to add more frames, so you just need to click plus, do the same, and choose which frame that you want to add. So I want to have this, and after that I want to do a resizing to make it a little bit bigger, and I'll put it here. And now we just after we have a frame on the canvas, we can add a photos inside to this frame. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to go plus and choose the photos by go into the uploads. If you already upload the photo on a canvas before, and go into the camera roll to access your gallery or camera. So here I already have my photos, so I just go into this upload, and after that you just need to drag this photo into the frames that you want to put the photos in. For example, I want to put it here, so just drag like in the top of the frames, and after that you can see that the position is quite not perfect, so you just need to double tap into this and go downside, and after you're done, just click a random spot, and that's all the way how you put a photo into the frame. Do the same with this side. Just go click plus button and choose which picture that you want to put into the frames, and then go drag the pictures into the frames. Just double click into the photos and adjusting the size as well as the position, so that it will be appear in a specific positions of the pictures inside of the frames, and then click done. So that's all the way how to add frames and add the photo into the frames on a Canva. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.